Hi everyone, Stella here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do Jacquard crochet based on this overlapped double crochet. So today we're gonna start from this bag base. First of all, let's make a loop. It's quite easy, but we want to make a longer loop, a little bit longer. Okay, and then we insert the hook right here. You got it. And then pull this loop up. And then we make one chain, two chain, then yarn over from the same position, pull out another loop, 1, 2, do another one, 1. Okay, let's stop here. Now I want to change it, another color. So this is the color we want to change. Again, make a loop. You can make a smaller loop here. Alright. So pay attention, we hasn't finished this stitch yet. Don't finish it. And we will insert this color in. Now tighten it a little bit and put this string, this is the resting string because we're gonna use this string. Put it to the front, secure it with your thumb, and hold this string one, two. Okay, tighten it a bit. Now we successfully changed it to a white color. Let's do it again. Remember, always put this resting string to the front, and the string in your hand is the color that you want to do now. Do it. Okay. Let's stop here because we want to change another color again. So don't finish this one. Now put this rest string to the front. Grab this color, the color you want to change. Okay. Pull it over and tight a little bit. Yarn over. So your hook coming in under this string, underneath it, so that you can wrap it. You can wrap it inside. And yarn over, go underneath the string. Hola. See, now we got two colors. You got it?